Hello, my name is Stephanie Weber, and I decided to abstain from coffee for 4 weeks. The reason I decided to give up coffee was because that's the only thing I really felt I was dependent on. I also have a very strong routine, which is waking up and making coffee, drinking coffee before the gym, and drinking coffee during work hours. So I have been doing this for about 3 years now, so I figured the choice of abstaining from coffee would be an interesting challenge. Coffee contains caffeine, which stimulates the nervous system, which elevates mood and makes us feel alert. So I thought it would be interesting to abstain from it as well because to see the effects it had on me. Week one, the first day wasn't so bad. However, after that, it started getting worse and worse. The third day and the fourth was probably the worst for me. I started getting super moody and had really bad headaches. Even my coworkers asked me what was wrong. I woke up every morning craving the taste of coffee, and especially more so at work. That's kind of when I really felt I couldn't function properly and was really tired. My workout routine definitely changed as well. I wasn't as energetic and pumped, which kind of got me upset because it means I was definitely dependent on coffee for my workouts. So my workouts weren't so great when I stopped drinking coffee. Week two and three, the gym continued to be kind of a problem. I wasn't as energetic as I usually was. I kind of did feel headaches still. I was feeling a little sick. I started getting frustrated and annoyed too, and I definitely questioned why I was doing this in the first place. Um, and I ended up slipping on week two and three. Week four, I slept again and had some coffee. One of the nights, I ended up sleeping super late due to me drinking coffee in the evening, and I ended up waking up super tired. And what do you know? I ended up getting another cup of coffee to keep me awake. Cravings continued, and I continued to feel frustrated. But I did realize that I was sleeping well when not consuming any caffeine. So some of the influences that triggered the relapse, my peers, mainly my coworkers. Obviously, we all know that work and coffee kind of go hand in hand, and all my coworkers do drink coffee and love coffee just as much as I do. So we always go on coffee runs, and they always offer me coffee, obviously. And although I did say no, I also did give in a few times. Also, feeling tired is another reason I would depend on coffee. It was a horrible feeling. I had headaches. I was super tired. I couldn't function properly, so I just wanted to get it over with, and I drank a cup of coffee just to get rid of that terrible feeling I had. To wrap it up, some positive effects from abstaining from coffee. Like I mentioned before, I did notice I slept much better than I did when drinking coffee. So when I was drinking coffee, I was restless. I was tossing and churning a lot, and the times I didn't drink coffee, I was in much deeper sleep. I also had saved a lot of money compared to when I used to drink a cup of coffee or two a day, about $12 or so. Um, Negative effects, which were many. I felt very moody. I was very irritated, extremely tired, could not function properly, didn't perform well at the gym as well as I did with coffee, really bad headaches, migraines. I felt nauseous too and sick. So, a lot of bad negative effects. So, in conclusion, to be honest, I didn't even realize how bad my dependency was. I knew I was somewhat dependent on it, however, I didn't know the extent of it. So, doing this project definitely was an eye opener. So, I really see an actual problem with my coffee consumption. So, not drinking coffee for a month definitely gave me insight. Um, After this project, I decided to slowly cut down on coffee consumption, and hopefully, I'll get better and better and less dependent on it. And also, I realized how caffeine is definitely a drug and should be consumed with moderation. It should not be taken lightly. So, cool project. Thank you so much.